want this? Want to try that?
What do you think?
Is that interesting? You want some more? Is that yummy?
That's pretty cool, isn't it, sis?
I want my cereal now.
Okay, you can have some too.
I want my baby spoon too.
Do you want some more, Silas?
Uh-oh.
It's okay. It's going to get kind of messy. That's okay. What do you think? It will be a lot more fun to have some real food like sweet potatoes. Here, Silas. You want to try
You ready
this?
for your cereal?
Yeah, I want
try
some
this?
milk in it.
Okay.
Not baby milk.
Not baby milk?
Do you want some more?
I want baby milk.
Yeah, but now you're a big kid.
Good job, Silas. You're holding the spoon. Can I have the spoon? Can I have the spoon?